Hey there, fellow road traveler. Welcome. I'm John the Mouse. I have been in the trucking industry for over 20 years. I have been sharing different sites along the way and will continue to tell you my raw stories, expert tips, and must-know insights for your home and business to keep you rolling. Learn the ins and outs of heavy machinery, master road conditions, and drive alongside the different trucking lifestyle. Whether you're a driver, traveler, gearhead, or just love the cheese of the matter, gear up and let's travel this great highway together.
You're cruising down a dusty highway, the GPS recalculates, the truck lurches, and click, your phone slides off the dash. Most mounts would let that happen, but what if you had a mount that was built like a tank? Today I can tell you that the Bracketron HD phone dock PRO lives up to that promise. This video is brought to you by John the Mouse Universality. Most drivers think a cheap plastic mount will do, but fleet operators, off-road photographers, and long-haul truckers face constant vibrations of the road, temperature swings, and harsh conditions. A loose mount can damage the device, distract the driver, and even void insurance because of it falling of windshield. That's why manufacturers like Bracketron have designed a military U-grade solution that I have been using for years. Trust me when I say it can withstand great forces and will follow you to your next truck. All I had to do is clean all the glass off the suction cup and wash it. It then was ready to go on another window of another semi-truck. All thanks to the Temperbond suction cup A3. 5-inch butyl rubber cup with a textured surface creates a vacuum that can hold up to 12 kg on glass, metal, or painted surfaces. Just make sure you clean the windshield with isopropyl alcohol, press the cup firmly, and hear the audible pop of the seal. Let me give you a tip. Do a dry run first to see if you're going to like where you put it. It's a little harder to get it loose after placing it. Like they say, measure twice, cut once. Once you found the general location you want it, push it into place, then lock the clamp that gives that suction cup a little bit more suction and pulls the high-impact polymer base snug to your mounting area. Now the fun begins with fine-tuning your adjustments with the aluminum pedestal and rotating the ball joints to get your screen or camera in the right position for your needs. Some of you know that I use my old cell phone to gather my dashcam footage for my videos. Just so you know, the cell phone made it with the mount to a few different trucks. I can't be more happier with the sturdy mounting of this phone dock. I have tried lots of other mounts that have an extra vibration in them, making the video unusable as the phone struggles to focus on the road instead of the windshield. If you're a professional driver, an off-road enthusiast, or anyone who needs a mount that won't quit under harsh conditions, the Bracketron HD Phone Dock PRO is a solid investment. It really does deliver on its durability, grip, and its adjustability claims. Description: in this hands-on review, we put Bracketron's flagship heavy-duty phone dock through the ultimate stress test, from city traffic to off-road hauling. You'll see its military E-grade aluminum frame, suction cup on glass and metal. Whether you're a fleet manager, a trucker, or an adventure photographer, discover if this 60 mount earns a permanent spot on your dash of your truck. Thank you for all your comments in viewing the video. I have other videos I would like you to view. Map,
I truly appreciate you spending time with us today. Thank you for watching. I would love to see you as part of the John the Mouse University. I can't wait to see you there. Here's a few videos you might enjoy. Thanks again. Until we meet again.